Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the Mummy Finger. This pepper chicken recipe is my mom's recipe. It's very simple and everyone's favorite. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. In a mixer, take 1 tablespoon whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds. Grind well. In a pan, add little oil. When the oil is hot, add few curry leaves. Add 1 cardamom, 3 cloves and 1 inch cinnamon stick. Add 1 chopped onion and sauté till it's golden brown. Add 1 teaspoon salt, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste, cook till the raw smell leaves. Add the freshly ground masala and mix well. Add 500 gram chicken pieces in the pan. Add required salt. Mix well such that all the chicken pieces are well coated with the masala. Close the lid and let it cook at medium heat. Stir in between if needed to avoid burning. Once the chicken is cooked, reduce the heat and keep the lid open till the gravy thickens. Yummy pepper chicken is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.